Hey, it's KOREWAA here again. My uncle that lives in Canada recently built a house in Ghana, in Aburi to be exact. And if you know Aburi, the views up there in the mountains, they are to die for. So I recently visited him once he was down for the holidays, and I thought I'll take some videos of his property. A lot of you, my subscribers, have recently bought land here in Ghana, and I thought this could be some way of giving you inspiration, giving you ideas for what you can do.
Not necessarily. Let's go this way. Yeah, we have to.
Is there any animals here?
I don't know, so we have to be careful. I've seen like a dog. What kind of animal like that?
So these are the views in the backyard, in his backyard. He literally lives in a forest reserve. Behind his house is a government forest reserve that nobody can build on. And so it's like he lives in the forest. It's really magical.
That looks something like what I just did at home. The pot thing that we did in the front.
We painted it.
Yeah, I'll tile it.
How come the doors are
That was the back of the property, and let me take you around the front to the other side of the house. This is the back of the house. There's 2 rooms there for the caretaker and any house help that would live here in the future. So as you open these solid doors, this is what greets you. There's the dining area, that's the focal point, and then to the right of the dining area are stairs that lead to you upstairs. Opposite the dining on your left is the living area, and then the kitchen is just behind the dining area. And across the hall from the kitchen is a little formal lounge where you could host, your visitors and have a private chit chat. So let's start from the small private lounge. Now in this lounge, when you open these windows at the back, this is the to die for view. It's beautiful, and you can hear all the insects chirping away and the trees, and it's just a really lovely ambience. It's like you don't have a care in the world. The city is somewhere far away. It's really beautiful when you open those windows. Anyway, so the little lounge has 2 entrances. You can come in from the left, you can come in from the right. It doesn't have doors that close it off. It's just this open plan space. Moving on to the kitchen, the door to my right that leads to the 2 bedrooms at the back of the house, and those 2 bedrooms have their own toilets and kitchenettes and all of that. But this is the kitchen in the main house. It's a contemporary style open plan kitchen. It has cabinets. It has these stone clad tiles, which gives it this earthy feel. And when you look out of the kitchen, you see the dining in front of you, and then this lounge area where the kids are sitting to the right of the kitchen. And again, when you come into this lounge area and you open the windows behind you, ooh, the sound of nature just hits you, and it's gorgeous. So the house is about 90% done. The landscaping is not all done yet. Like I said, my uncle doesn't live here just yet. He lives in Canada, and so you can feel that it doesn't feel really personal at the moment because he hasn't shipped any of his personal belongings into the house. This is just how the house came from the developers. They built it and finished it this way. So at the moment it feels a little impersonal. So when you go across the hall, there's 2 bedrooms neatly tucked away on this ground floor level. This is bedroom 1. It's an okay size bedroom. Again, you've got the views at the back, recessed lighting in the ceiling, and it has its own bathroom. And then when you come out of that, it takes you to the next bedroom, still on the ground floor, and it's similar to the first one that we just saw. Windows opening up to the sound of nature and this gorgeous view. I don't know, I didn't want to leave. And it also has its own bathroom, same as the one that we saw in the bedroom before. So when you come out of this area, you come back into the living area. These stairs right opposite the entrance is what takes you up to the top floor, which also has 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom and another extra bedroom. And this house is just surrounded in nature. Wherever you look, you perceive the outside. Whether you're on the stairs, whether you are at the front of the house or the back of the house, it's just, Aburi is a beautiful place to be. It's up in the mountains. You can tell it's a bit foggy outside. It's just the way it is. It's up on a hill. It just makes you want to leave the city and live here forever and ever. So for those of you who have bought land in rural settings like these, yeah, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful to leave the hustle and bustle of Accra and all the other cities behind. On the second level, this is the 3rd bedroom, and I just have to show you that again. So you can still see the backyard, but from a higher point of view this time. And yeah, I don't know, I couldn't get enough of the outside. I wish I didn't have to leave. The house is beautiful. It's a simple, contemporary 2-story house, 4 bedrooms, 2 rooms in the outback. It's got a kitchen, it's got 2 living areas. That is all nice and well, but I think the surrounding environment actually sells this house much more. Yeah, so this here is that was just the 3rd bedroom that we've just come out from, looking down at the stairs. And then the only other room up here is the master bedroom, and from up here you can see this double height ceiling properly. You can see the POP that they've done there. It's really gorgeous, really beautiful, with all the recessed lighting in there. So let's go into the master bedroom. That is the front door down there, and then some more windows for more light. Like I said, this house has not been furnished with any personalized items. This is just how it came from the builders. You know, they built it, they finished it, so this is just how it came. In the future, if my uncle decides to stay here, obviously he's going to personalize it some more. So yeah. From the master bedroom, you see the views from both the front of the property and the back. So that is really gorgeous. This is what you see at the front. The house sits on a bit of a hill, and so you can see far down. The video doesn't actually do justice to the views you've. And then over here is where the walk-in wardrobe is going to be. It's not been fitted yet, but that's going to be fitted with, you know, shelving and hanging space and all of that. And again, you know, the views at the back, you've seen that so many times already now, so I'm not gonna go through that one again. And then from there you have the master bedroom, which I also think has been beautifully done. I love the tiles on the floor and on the wall. It's simple yet elegant. It's really beautifully done. On the back wall, you've got a freestanding tap and these big windows and recessed lights on the ceiling. And on the other side of the wall, you have this his and her, you know, standalone basins, if that's what they are called. And I love the you know, the shape of these things. Look at that tap handle. And a big shower to boot. So this is my uncle's house in Aburi, just to give you some ideas that if you're deciding to build in Ghana, or even if you're deciding to buy land in Ghana, you can buy land in a rural setting. You know, you can plant some of these trees yourself and get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. That's what I am doing. I built a house in the city, but I am currently very soon going to start another building project, which is going to be in a rural setting, something like this. And so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel now so you don't miss that. The channel is going to undergo a lot of changes which you really don't want to miss out on. So let's chat in the comment section. What do you think about the environment? What do you think about this house in Aburi? Leave me a comment, like this video, and I will see you in the next video.